Hello everybody, Abdel here, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to make an Easter time treat. And that treat is carrot cake cookies topped with a cream cheese frosting. What you see before you are the ingredients we're going to be using for these treats. First up, approximately 2 cups of shaved carrots, a half cup of oil, 1 box of spice cake mix, 2 eggs, and a dash of cinnamon. For the frosting, we're going to be using whipped cream cheese, vanilla extract, almond milk, and natural sweetener. Alright, now before we begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. With all that said, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with the cookie dough. First, we put it in a packet with spiced cake mix. Then we put in our shredded carrots. Put in a half cup of oil. Bring in 2 large eggs. Then we sprinkle in some cinnamon. And a little vanilla extract for taste. Now we use a rubber spatula to fill in all the ingredients like so. Alright, our dough is done. Here's the cookies on the tray. First we use an ice cream scoop to scoop up some batter, and we'll drop it on the cookie sheet like so. Next, we bring our cookie sheet into our oven, preheated at 350 degrees. So, and leave it there. For 12 minutes. Now, while we wait for our cookies to bake, let's get started on our frosting. First, we bring in a 1/3 cup of whipped cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of the trivia sweetener, and a half cup of almond milk. Then we whisk it all together like so. Let's see if we can. Alright, looks like after all that effort, the icing came out good. I guess all it needed was to just cool off a bit. Right, now that the cookies are done, let's add in our, let's toughen Oh, more icing. Listen, you Can you sprinkle a little cinnamon on each? Then we let the cookies cool. Oh, and the icing dry for a little while. And just like that, we got some delicious carrot cake cookies with cream cheese frost icing. A delicious Easter treat for both you and the Easter Bunny. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And if you know someone who wants to prepare an Easter treat for a specific Easter party, I recommend showing them this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit!
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Look at him stop and listen to him say, try to do the things you should, maybe if you're extra good.